In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default template on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're new to MetaTrader 5 or an experienced trader looking to customize your trading experience, knowing how to change templates can enhance your chart analysis and trading efficiency. So let's dive into the straightforward process of updating your default template. To begin with, ensure you have MetaTrader 5 open and that you have access to the chart you wish to modify. Don't worry if you haven't done this before. These steps are easy to follow and require just a few clicks. First, navigate to your chart window. Once you're there, you can begin the process of selecting a new template. Find a spot anywhere on the chart and right-click your mouse. This action brings up a context menu, offering a range of additional features that you can apply to your chart. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Template. Go ahead and hover your mouse over Template. Once you've done this, a sub-menu will appear, displaying all the templates available to you. These templates could be the default ones provided by MetaTrader or any custom templates you've created or installed. Templates can help you apply preset configurations of indicators, colors, and graphical objects to your charts, assisting you in managing and analyzing your trades effectively. They are particularly helpful when dealing with multiple charts or when you want to maintain a consistent look and feel across different trading instruments. Now, from the sub-menu that appears, you'll want to select the particular template you wish to set as the default. Simply click on the name of the template that you prefer. If you've worked through this procedure correctly, your chart should now reflect the appearance of the chosen template. It's important to note that changing the default template on one chart doesn't automatically update other charts. If you want all your charts to have the same template, you'll need to repeat this process for each one individually. It might seem like a repetitive task, but the effort is well worth it for a consistent and personalized trading interface. If at any point you find that the available templates don't suit your needs, you can always create more custom templates. Simply configure a chart the way you like, right-click the chart, go to Template, and then select Save Template. Give it a descriptive name that helps you remember what settings are included, and it will then appear in your list of available templates. By following these steps, you can easily customize your trading environment, making it more intuitive and suited to your preferences. Adjusting your default template ensures that every time you open a new chart, it starts with your preferred setup, saving time and maintaining focus on your trading strategy. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to efficiently change the default template on MetaTrader 5.